Hi, I'm Davey. I'm the managing partner here at Jones Law Partners. If you have a couple of minutes, I'd like to introduce myself and maybe tell you what makes me different, hopefully better than other lawyers. I have 3 priorities in life that give me satisfaction and fulfillment: God, family, and work. To talk about them in that order, I'm very active in church at Our Lady of Promsucker. I tithe my time, talent, and treasures. I'm on a couple of boards. I've been teaching confirmation class for several years, and I'm active with the church's Acts ministry. Faith and theology fuel me as I try to let God's story play out through my life. Family. Family is why I do this. There are no lawyers in my immediate family, and that's why I decided to go to law school. It gives me great comfort knowing that I can be that source of legal advice for my family if they ever need. I have a wife and 2 daughters, and they are my world. Everything I do here is to provide for them. I work hard so we can play harder. Work. I'm from Alexandria. I went to Southern Law School. I clerked for a year here in Alexandria. I was an associate at a small firm before going as a solo attorney, and now we have created this partnership. My primary practice areas are domestic, meaning divorce and custody, personal injury law, such as car or truck accidents, and succession work. So what makes me better than another lawyer down the road? I'll pick 3 things to focus on: organization, trust, and honesty. I am very organized and efficient. Our team is constantly thinking about ways to perfect our systems and processes. That not only makes our job here easier, but it also translates into a better performance for you. For example, other lawyers, no joke, drag luggage into the courtroom with stacks and stacks of paper. I, on the other hand, have every file for every client on my iPad. I can pull up names and evidence in seconds, while other lawyers have to go into storage and pull out dusty files. And that's just one example. Efficiency leads to production. So that's a top priority here. Second, trust. Trust is earned. I do not expect you to give it to me. But if I can promise you nothing else, I promise you I will earn your trust. If I tell you I'm going to do something, it gets done. I cannot tell you how many clients call here after being frustrated with their old lawyer. He won't answer calls, or I paid him a ton of money and it seems like nothing's getting done. That's a break in trust, and it simply does not happen here. Honesty, number 3. I realize lawyers have a reputation of being sneaky and manipulative. It might be accurate for lots of lawyers, but not me. I despise that reputation. We are an old profession, at one point a time-honored profession, and not so much anymore. And I think that's because of too many dishonest lawyers. I, for one, just will not fall into that category. I promise to always tell you the truth, even if it's not what you want to hear. So that's me. By creating the Jones Law Partners, we truly are trying to do things better than the rest. We want to make a difference. I hope you never need our legal work, but if you find yourself going through bad times, simply call or email. We'll schedule a consult, and we'll figure out how to help you through it.